definite integration. This chapter belongs to Mathematics 2B, part 33. Last class completed impounded 7 marks problem. Today discuss one more 7 marks problem impounded. What is that problem? Show that the area enclosed between the curves y square equal to 12 into x plus 3 and y square equal to 20 into 5 minus x is 64 into square root of 5 by 3 square units. This one is a problem. In this problem, first we have to take y square equal to 12 into x plus 3. This is equation 1. After that, y square equal to 20 into 5 minus x. This one is a 2. From equation 1 and 2, you get what? From equation 1 and 2, you get both RHS are equal. 12 into x plus 3 is equal to 20 into 5 minus x. Next, 12x plus 12 3 is 36 is equal to 20 into 500 minus 20 into x 20x. After that, 12x plus 20x is equal to 100 minus 36. 12x plus 20x how much? 32x. 32x is equal to 100 minus 36, you get 64. 32 ones are, 32 twos are, you get x value is 2. Here, this 2, x value is 2 substituted in this equation, you get y value. Nothing but x value equal to 2 substituted in x value 2 substituted in anyone, that is we can write 1. Y square equal to 12 into 2 plus 3. Y square equal to 12 into 2 plus 3 value 5. Y square equal to 60. Y is equal to plus or minus square root of 60. This can be written as plus or minus 2 root 15. Plus or minus 2 root 15 or plus or minus square root of both are equal. That's why point is one is 2 comma 2 root 15. Another one is 2 comma minus 2 root 15. These two curves are intersected at 2 comma 2 root 15 positive axis, 2 comma minus 2 root 15 negative fourth quadrant. This is the intersected curves of the 2 points. First, you can y is equal to y square equal to 12 into nothing but y is equal to square root of 12 into x plus 3. We have to take table. In this table, we have to take values minus 3 to 0, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. You can write first minus 3. 2 minus 3 plus 3 value is 0. Y value is 0. You can write minus 2. Minus 2 plus 3 value 1. Square root of 12. Square root of 12. After that, you can write minus 1. Minus 1 nothing but what here? Minus 1 nothing but here square root of plus or minus nothing but minus 1 plus 3. 2. Square root of 24. Square root of 24. We have to take 0. 12 is 36. Plus or minus 6. We have to take 1. 1 plus 3 value 4. 12 4s are 48. Square root of 48. After that, we have to take 2. 2 plus 3 5. Square root of 60. Nothing but plus or minus 2 root 50. This is the first table. Second one is y is equal to plus or minus square root of 20 into 5 minus x. We have to take table. In this table, you can take values is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If x value is 0, 25 is up. How much? 100 plus or minus 10. If x value is 1, 5 minus 1, 4. 20 into 4, square root of 80. 24 is 80. We have to take 2, 5 minus 2, 3, plus or minus 60. Plus or minus square root of 60. 3, 5 minus 3, 2, plus or minus square root of 20. 22 is 40. You can write here square root of 40. After that, 4, 5 minus 4, 1, square root of 20. plus or minus square root of 20. 5 minus 5 is 0. 0 into something is 0. Here these two curves are intersected to plus or minus square root. Here 2 also be plus or minus square root of 60. That's why you have to take a coordinate axis. This is x, y axis. This one is x axis. X dash, y dash, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Y axis maximum value is 10. You can take 2, 4, 6, 8. After that you have to take 10. After that you have to take 10. Minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, minus 10. First you can draw by using first table you can draw the curve. Minus 3, 0, minus 3, 0. This is the minus 3, 0. Next 0 plus or minus 6. 0 have plus or minus 6, nothing but this one. Next minus 2 plus or minus square root of 12. Plus or minus square root of 12, nothing but that value lies between 3 to 4. Minus 2, 3 to between this one is 3 to 4. Here also be 3 to 4, nothing but this one is. After that, minus 1 having plus or minus square root of 12, simple distance between 5. That's why you can write 5, nothing but this one is 5. Here also this one is 5. Next 1 square root of 48. 1 square root of 48 is what? Approximately 7. 1 approximately 7. Here also be 1 approximately 7. 2 approximately square root of 16, that approximately 8. 2 approximately 8. Here also 2 approximately 8. This is the first curve. This one is the first curve. This curve name is, what is this curve name? Y square equal to 12 into y square equal to 12 into x plus 3, or y is equal to square root of 12 into square root of x plus 3. You can write any one. After that, you have to take second one. Second one, 0 plus or minus 10. This is a plus 10. This is a minus 10. 1 plus or minus 80. 80 is approximately 9. 1 approximately 9. This one is a 9. Here also be minus 9. 2 having intersected. 2 having intersected. This is the intersected point. This is very important intersected point. This point having intersection both axes, both curves and. Next 3 plus or minus 40. 3 square root of 40. Nothing but square root of 40 lies between 6 to 7. 3, 6 to 7. Nothing but approximately here. This one is 6 to 7. Here also be this one is 6 to 7. Next square root of 4, square root of 20. Square root of 20 approximately 4 to 5. 4 to 5, nothing but this is approximate. This is also be 4th approximate value. 5 having 0. What is the curve? This one is the curve. This is a which curve? This curve is y square equal to 20 into 5 minus 6, or y is equal to square root of 20 into square root of 5 minus 6. You can write any one. This is the area. This total is the area enclosed by the curves. This total area. See students, here you can observe this curve intersected at 2. This curve intersected at 2. Correct or not, students? That's why minus 3 to 2. One curve, 2 to 5, another curve. Minus 3 to 2. One curve, 2 to 5, another curve. Next area equal to minus 3 to 2. Integral. Here, once again explain, this is which curves? Symmetric curves. What is the meaning of symmetric curves? Two curves having same area in positive and negative both directions. Nothing but you can write 2 into symmetrical, nothing but 2 into minus 3 to 2. Integral minus 3 to 2. Integral minus 3 to 2 having which curve? This curve. What is the name of this curve? This curve name is what? This curve name is y square equal to 12 into x plus 3. Nothing but y is equal to square root of 12 into square root of x plus 3 into dx plus. Next, 2 to 5. In this 2 to 5 interval, having this curve. 2 to 5 interval having only this one curve only. This curve name is what? Y is equal to square root of 2 to 5 square root of 20 into square root of 5 minus x into dx. Understood or not, students? Once again explain, students. Here this curve lies between minus 3 to 5 interval. In this minus 3 to 5 interval divides minus 3 to 2 one interval, 2 to 5 is another interval. Minus 3 to 2 interval this curve lies. Y is equal to square root of 2 into square root of x plus 3 curve lies. Here 2 to 5 interval y equal to square root of 20 into square root of minus 5 square root of 5 minus x curve having. You can solve this one. You get what? A is equal to 2 into square root of 12 comma minus 3 into 2 x plus 3 whole power 1 by 2 into dx plus 2 into square root of 20 integral 2 to 5 of 5 minus x whole power 1 by 2 into dx. After that, square root of 12 nothing but 2 root 3. Correct or not, students? 2 root 3. 2 into 2 root 3. Here, this derivative having not x plus 3 derivative is 1. This is in the form of integral f dash x into f of x whole power n into dx. What is the formula? F of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus this one is the formula. You can use this formula. In this formula, here this is f of x. This derivative is 1 is there. That's why you can write this one is x plus 3 whole power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. Here interval is minus 3 to 2 plus 2 into square root of 20 nothing but 2 root 5. 2 root 5. Here you can write this f of x. This derivative is what? 5 minus 6 derivative is minus 1. Not there. That's why you can write this is minus 1. You can write 2 here minus. That's why here minus. You can write 5 minus x whole power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. Limits is 2 to 5. After that, 4 root 3 x plus 3 whole power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Limits is minus 3 to 2 minus 4 root 5. Here also be 5 minus x whole power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 to 5. This 3 by 2 goes to numerator 2 by 3. 4 root 3 into 2 by 3. Here we can write x plus 3 whole power 3 by 2. Limits is minus 3 to 2 minus 4 root 5 into this 3 by 2 goes to numerator 2 by 3. 5 minus x whole power 3 by 2. Limits is 2 to 5. You can write area A is equal to here 4 2s are 8 root 3 by 3. We can apply first upper limit. Upper limit is 2 plus 3 whole power 3 by 2 minus lower limit is minus 3 plus 3 minus 3 plus 3 whole power 3 by 2 completed minus of 4 2s are 8 root 5 by 3. Here first you can write upper limit 5 minus 5 whole power 3 by 2 is upper limit minus lower limit is 5 minus 2 whole power 3 by 2 is lower limit. After that you can write here upper limit and lower limit. This term also you can write upper limit and lower limit. After that 8 root 3 by 3 5 power 3 by 2 2 plus how much 5 power 3 by 2 minus 3 minus 3 get cancelled 0 minus 8 root 5 by 3 5 minus 5 get cancelled 0 5 minus 2 value 3 power 3 by 2 3 power 5 minus 2 value 3 power 3 by 2. After that 8 root 3 by 3 this 5 power 3 by 2 nothing but 5 power 1 into 5 power 1 by 2 minus 8 root 5 by 3 minus into minus plus 3 power 3 by 2 nothing but 3 power 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 3 power 1 plus 1 by 2 nothing but 3 by 2. After that 8 root 3 by 3, 5 into 5 power 1 by 2 minus square root of 5 plus 8 root 5 by 3, 3 into 3 power 1 by 2. You can write 3 power 1 by 2. After that, 8 5 is 40 root 3 into root 5 by 3 plus 8 3 is 24 square root of 5 square root of 3 by 3. Square root of 5 square root of 3 by 3. Here 1 square root of 3 1 square root of 3 get cancelled. 1 square root of 3 1 square root of 3 get cancelled. You get what? 40 root 5 by root 3 plus 24 root 5 by root 3. You can common these two terms. Square root of 5 by square root of 3 common. You get what? 40 plus 24. 40 plus 24. How much? 40 plus 24 nothing but 64. Total 64 into square root of 5 by square root of 3. This can be written as 64 into square root of 5 by 3 square units. This is the area bounded by the curves. Y square is equal to 12 into x plus 3, y square equal to 20 into 5 minus x is 64 square root of 5 by 3. Here also be 64 square root of 5 by 3. Okay, students, this is important 7 marks problem in IP examination.